See page number 34. This voltage comes to here, SLP S3. This voltage comes to here. We will see here SLP S3 command. SLP S3 command comes to Q17 and Q16. When this voltage comes to here, this voltage goes to ground. When you give DC bat out 18 volts, 15 to 18 volts here, this voltage come out from here, this voltage comes to here. When you give voltage 3 volts, this voltage goes to ground. When this gate goes to ground, negative volt, this will starts function. This voltage come out from this one. This is Q16, this is Q17. We will see Q16, Q17. Q16, this is Q17. This is Q17, this is Q16. This is Q16, this is Q17, 16 and 17, this one. This is this one, Q16 and Q17. This is Q17, this is Q17. We will see these voltages. When you give voltage to 3 volts, this voltage goes to 0. This voltage come out from this place. Without voltage, this voltage nearly 9 volts, 9 to 10 volts. Now we will see here. This is Q17. Gate voltage 0. This voltage 0. Drain voltage, collector voltage, base voltage 0. Collector voltage nearly 9 volts. This voltage goes to here, nearly 9. This is 0 base voltage. Collector voltage 9 volt. When we give base voltage, this voltage goes to 0. We will see after S3 command. I will give S3 command. See, base voltage 3.3 volts. Collector voltage goes to 0 now. Base 3.3 volts. Collector voltage 0. Collector voltage goes to 0. This transistor will on. This voltage goes to here. This is P channel transistor. When gate voltage goes to 0, this voltage come out from this place. This is Q16. Without S3 command, we will see DC bat up to 18 volts, nearly 15 to 18 volts come to here. This is source. When you give this voltage source, this voltage come out from gate. When you give 15 volts, that same voltage come out from gate. When you give S3 command to this transistor to gate, this gate voltage goes to low voltage. When this gate voltage goes to low, this will come out from this drain. We will see without S3 command, this voltage is okay. No voltage at this point, drain voltage. Now we will see. See here, this is Q16. This is Q16. This is Q16. This is gate. This is drain. This is source. We will see gate voltage. Now gate voltage. See here. Gate voltage, this gate voltage nearly 10 volts. We will see drain voltage now. Gate voltage, we will see drain voltage 0. Drain voltage 0. Source voltage 14.6 volts. Source voltage 14.6 volts. No gate voltage. This voltage nearly 15 volts, this voltage 10 volts, no voltage at this point. We will see after S3 command. This is drain, no voltage at this point. We will give S3 command. See here, we will give S3 command. When this SLP S3 command comes to here, this voltage come out from drain. See here, drain voltage 14.35. 14.35. When you give SLP S3 voltage here, this voltage come out from this place. 14.54 volts. This is 14.5 volts. This is okay. and this voltage comes to 3 FETs. This 3 FETs gate pin number 4, U47, U48, U48, U47. This 3.3 volts pin number 8 in here. This voltage will not come here. U48, this voltage is okay, 5 volts. This voltage will not come here. When this gate voltage goes to high, that means nearly 18 volts. This gate voltage high, nearly 18 volts, that means on. This transistors, this FETs is on. When this is n channel FETs, this 3 n channel FETs. When this gate goes to high voltage, nearly 15 to 20 volts, this will conduct. This 5 volts comes out from this pin number 1 to 3 when this voltage 18 to 20 volts. When this gate voltage goes to high, this will conduct on. This voltage 3.3 volts comes to this place, pin number 1 to 3. S5 goes to S0, S3 goes to H0, S3 goes to H0. This is 1.8 volts. When gate voltage goes to high voltage, this voltage come out from this place. This is n channel. When gate voltage goes to high, this will conduct. This in p channel FET, when gate voltage goes to 0 or 0 to 5 volts, that will conduct. This is U48 n channel transistor. This is input, this is output. Source output, drain input. We will see at pin number 5 volts is okay, but no output voltage here, 0 volts. When you give gate voltage nearly for 12 to 18 volts, this voltage come out from this pin. No voltage at this point, pin number 4, this voltage will not come. Same, this is also input 3.3 volts, output 3.3 volts. This voltage is okay, no voltage at this point. You should check ground gate voltage. You should check ground gate voltage. When this gate voltage come 12 to 15 volts, this voltage come out from this IC. We will see here. This is U48. This is U48. We will see U48. Pin number 8. Pin number 8. This is input. This is a pin number 8. Input okay. See pin number 1. Pin number 1 0. Pin number 1 0. Output 0. Gate voltage. Pin number 4. Gate voltage 0. So when this gate voltage 0, this voltage will not come. When we will give S3 command, this voltage comes to here 15 volts. This output voltage will come to here. Another transistor, this one. This is U47. This is U47. We will see input and output. See here 3.27 volts. Pin number 8. Input is okay. Input is okay. We will see output. Pin number 1. No voltage at this point. Pin number 1. No voltage at this point. Gate voltage also 0. Gate voltage also 0. This voltage is okay. This voltage no voltage at this point because no gate voltage. When you give gate voltage, this voltage come out from this U47. This is U20. Without S3 command, this voltage is okay. No voltage at this point. We will see at U20. This is U20. We will see here. Pin number 8. 1.8 volts is okay. 1.8 volts is okay. Pin number 1. No voltage here. When we give 15 volts at 4th pin gate, this voltage come out from here. We will see. We will see after we will give S3 command. After we will see S3 command. This voltage is okay. When we give 15 volts here, this 5 volts come out from this pin number 1. input pin number 8 or pin number 1. This also same 3.3 volts input, output 3.3 volts. When we give 15 volts nearly fourth pin gate, this voltage will come. This is U47, this is U20, this is input 1.8 volts. This also same output will come when we give 15 volts to gate. So this n-channel transistor depend on the gate voltage. When we give 14 to 15 volts here gate, this transistor will on. That means this voltage come out from this place. We will see now U48. This is U48. See here 4.9 volts is okay. 4.9 volts output and input is okay. Now we will see input and output voltage is okay. Now we will see gate voltage. Pin number 4 gate voltage 14 point nearly 15 volts. We will see side transistor U47. This U47 this is. We will see here 3.27. That means 3.3 volts is okay. We will see output voltage 3.26. This voltage also okay. We will see gate voltage. Gate pin number 4 15.05. Gate voltage is okay. You will see at U20 input 1.9, that means 1.8 volts is okay. Gate voltage is okay 15 volts. Gate voltage 15 volts is okay. Output voltage is okay. Output voltage is okay. These all power okay voltage goes to CPU regulator. This all power regulators goes to CPU. This is CPU regulator page number 35. See here CPU core on. When all supplies is okay, this CPU core on voltage comes to shutdown pin of CPU core voltage. After CPU core will starts function.